And welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, I am back with another latest video. In this video you will see such a gorgeous and beautiful centerpieces ideas about Christmas. All the ideas are very unique, adorable and looking amazing. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.